Respected parents and the dearest students, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Behroz Ahmed Khan, and this is Guards Public School 2 YouTube channel. Dear students, we have been learning computer science and we have learned 9 lectures till today, and now we are going to cover lecture number 10 of computer science class 9 today. Dear students, we have learned in the past lecture about the input devices, the output devices, the types of input devices, the types of output devices, and the basic functions of a computer system. And now in this lecture we are going to cover another topic, that is computer software. The chapter is same, the fundamental of computer, and this is going to be the last topic of fundamental of computer. So we are going to complete the chapter number 1 today. Okay, so we are talking about the computer software. What is computer software? Okay, so students, computer software, basically software is a set of instruction that is given to a computer by the user to perform a specific task. Software is a set of instructions. Software is a program basically. When we were discussing hardware, so we discussed about the hardware, that it is physical components of computer. Physical components of computer, tangible components of computer. But we are now going to discuss the software. So the software are the non-physical, intangible components of computer that are not physical, that are non-physical. They are only instructions or programs that a computer uses to perform a task. It is general form of computer program. There are two main types of software: system software and application software. So we are going to discuss the system software. What is system software? Basically, system software are programs that are used to run the computer system, that are necessary to run the computer system. They are activities and functions of a computer. They controls all the operations of a computer hardware. It includes operating system, device driver, utility programs, and language translators. System softwares, the below given system software basically are used to run a computer, run a any operating system, device drivers, utility programs, and language translator. These are the basic softwares that are necessary to run a computer system. A computer system cannot perform operations, basic operations, cannot perform basic operations without these softwares. Okay, so first of all we are going to discuss the operating system. What is operating system? Operating system, basically you can know easily by reading the name operating system. Operating system means the system of operation, the system, the program through which a computer operates. Operating system is a master control program that manages all the system resources. It creates an interface between computer system and user. Whatever you uses, whatever you performs on the computer system, using icon, using wallpaper, using taskbar, or anything, using Windows, opening Windows, playing video games, everything, clicking on any icon. So all these functions are performed through operating system. You can interact with the computer using operating system. Okay, what are device drivers? Okay, so different devices are when connected to the computer, they need drivers to be installed. When you connect different devices to the computer, like keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor, except that you also connect USB, you sometimes connect the printer, plotter, scanner, mic, hand free. There are all different devices. You connect the Wi-Fi router or Wi-Fi means when you made the computer Wi-Fi supported, so you have to connect a device. So these devices cannot work properly, cannot run without using device drivers. So basically every device before operation needs drivers to be installed. In the past times, when you connect a device, you first have to put the CD of drivers and install the related drivers to that device. For example, you are connecting printer to the computer, so first you have to install that drivers of printers from the CD you have connected. But nowadays Windows comes with already installed drivers, so you do not have to worry about installing drivers. You can easily connect a device, but if there is any device that is not supported, so first you have to install the drivers. Okay, so utility programs. What are utility programs? Utility programs are those programs that are useful computer programs, help to manage, maintain and control computer resources. Operating system usually have pre-installed programs that are serve this purpose. What are utility programs? Like like WordPad, Notepad, as well as you have Paint, Calculator, and on-screen keyboard. These and all other different utility programs. These are the utility programs that are useful for the user. They can help to maintain the data, computer resources without using application software. And what are language translator? Language translator have been discussed in your previous lecture in chapter number 1 of previous book. You can study it from there. Now we are going towards the application software. What are application software? Basically, application software are the special programs, special softwares other than the system software that are necessary for the operation of computer system. Application software are not necessary for the operation of computer system, but they are special software that are designed to perform a specific task, specific operations, such as making documents, databases, spreadsheets and presentations. For making documents you use MS Word. For databases you can use MS Access. Spreadsheets for use Excel. For presentation you use PowerPoint. So they are not installed programs, but these programs are special programs that are used for specific purposes, for making better documents, database, spreadsheet, presentations. Except that computer games, they are also, you have pre-installed computer games in the computer in the along with Windows, like pinball and other games. So they are pre-installed, but they are not games you use usually, but the games you installed separately, spatially, they are also application softwares. The media players, VLC media player, MX player and other players, web browser. You have Internet Explorer on your Windows, but you install Opera, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and other drivers, browsers. They are also application software. User need to install an application software to accomplish these tasks. Now there are different type of application software. Productivity software. Productivity software are those software that are used for anything productive things, such as documents, spreadsheet, database, presentations. MS Office is mainly used for this, except that Dreamweaver, Adobe Flash, Adobe Photoshop, they are also productive softwares. They are used for productivity and intended to be used in business and offices. Business software are those software that are used to manage business activities, such as database management, inventory management. For database management, you use MS Access, and inventory management you use SAP and other softwares. Entertainment software. Basically, entertainment software are mainly used by the students, childs, youngsters. They are mainly computer games that are known as entertainment softwares. They are used for entertainment. Educational softwares are those software that are used for the educational purpose, such as online, like Zoom is an application for educational purposes, except that My Class and other many other softwares applications are used as educational software. You can also use typing tutors, quiz softwares and other informative softwares. They are also educational kind of education softwares. Now we have discussed the whole topic of software today, the software and types, application software, system software and all these. Now what is your home task? Your home task is what is computer software. Now you have to discuss the system software and explain all types and then you have to discuss the application software and explain all types. So this is for today. We have covered 10 lectures, and in 10 lectures we have covered chapter number 1. So chapter number 1 has been completed, and in the next lecture, inshallah, we are going to discuss the chapter number 2, that is operating system. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.